A lot of this is supercharged and intercooled science with mixture of cogs. You're all cool today, right. Today we're going to talk a little more about intrusive and extrusive rocks. These are both forms of igneous rocks. And then, again, let me remind you, igneous rocks are fireborne. Extrusive, these form from lava. When magma comes above ground, it becomes lava. It's called lava. And these rocks cool very quickly, so you get little to no crystal formation. So if you look at something like obsidian that's naturally occurring glass, you can't see any crystals in it. It's amorphous. If you look at these other igneous rocks, there's a lot of pores in them. Again, these are not meteorites. When you find these, don't think they're meteorites. These are types of scoria, pumice, and other rocks that form when lava cools very quickly above ground. It may also be jetted out from underwater and cool very quickly in the water, or blow up above the sea level and cool very quickly. Intrusive rocks. These form underground from magma. When molten rock-like material is underground, it's magma. When it comes above ground, it's lava. Otherwise, it's the same stuff. It's important to know those two distinctions. Notice with intrusive, remember this by you enter the building. These rocks are inside the ground. Extrusive, just like you exit a building, these rocks are extrusive. They're outside of the ground. Notice that the rocks that are formed underground, they get to cool very slowly, so you get good crystal formation. Whether it's a granite or a diorite or a pegmatite or whatever you're looking at, or even a basalt. Some of the basalts, they don't have large crystals that you can see really well, but they do have very tiny crystals. And if you look at them under a magnifying glass, you can see the crystals. The longer it takes for the rock that's forming to form, the longer it takes for it to cool, the bigger the crystals you'll get. The shorter the time it takes for them to cool, the smaller the crystals you get. And if they cool outside of the ground and form outside of the ground, you're likely to not find any crystals, or nothing that you can easily identify as a crystal at any rate. Okay, so these are both igneous rocks, intrusive and extrusive. Catch you in another video.